Okay, once again, we're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. The first one, we're going to add. So in adding, we try to find the common denominator, least common denominator. So here, I'm at 3 timetable, so I have 3, then there's 6, and then there's 9, and 12. I'll stop there at 12. For the 6 timetables, we have 6, we have 12, we have 18, and we have 24 for our 6 timetables. Now, the common multiple with all these is already found. It happens to be 6. So we just need to find the multipliers. So to go from a 3 to a 6, the multiplier for this one is 1, 2. So that's times 2. And then times 2. So there's 2's. The multiplier for 6 to get to 6 is 1. Because that's the first one. So we times 1 times 1. And now we can create our new fractions. So this will be 2 times 2 and 3 times 2. 2 times 2 makes 4. 3 times 2 makes 6. This is 1 times 1 and 6 times 1. Well, 1 times 1 makes 1, and 6 times 1 makes 6. And now I can add these two. 4 plus 1 is going to give us 5. And this will be over 6. We're done. Okay, let's try this again with subtraction. On subtraction, our 3 timetables are 3, 6, 9, and 12. For the 6 timetables, we have 6, there's 12, 18, and 24. The least common between these will be 6. Common just means same. Least means we need to find smaller. Because there could be other common. In fact, 12 and 12 here are common. Just like 6 and 6 are common. But you always find the least common. So least common means instead of the 12 and 12, you choose the smaller one, which is the 6 and the 6. Okay, let's find the multipliers. So in the 3 timetables, this is 1, 2. So that's times 2 times 2. And for the 6 timetable, 6 is first. So that's times 1 times 1. So let's do a little bit of multiplying. 2 times 2 and 3 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6. Here we have 1 times 1 and 6 times 1. Well, 1 times 1 is 1, 6 times 1 is 6. And now I can subtract 4 minus 1 will be my subtraction, and I'll get 3. And that'll be over 6. Now, note that this is not simplified. I can divide the top by 3 and the bottom by 3 as well. When that happens, 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. And so I just simplified our answer, 3 over 6, by dividing by 3 to get 1 over 2. All right, let's do this next one. Multiplication. Multiplication, the rule is that we don't find the common denominator. We just multiply all the tops together. So this will be 2 times 1. And you multiply all the denominators together, which will be 3 times 6. Okay. So we have 2 times 1 and 3 times 6. 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. And now I want to simplify. I want to divide these both by 2. So 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. And 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. Next, division. Division, we do a keep, change, and a flip. Keep, change, flip. So 2 over 3 stays 2 over 3. We change the division into multiplication. And then 1 over 6 flips into a 6 over 1. And now this is a multiplication problem. So how do you do multiplication problems? You multiply all the tops. So this will be 2 times 6. And you multiply all the bottoms, which will be 3 times 1. Okay, so 2 times 6 is going to give us 12, whereas 3 times 1 is going to give us 3. Now I can simplify this by dividing everything by the number 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. Now, 4 over 1 can be simplified further, because anything over 1, you can just simply write the numerator and just say 4 over 1 is the same thing as 4. So this can be simplified one more time to 4.